Everyone, welcome to our 1961 Aston Martin restoration video where we turn parts from this into this. If you like seeing decades of corrosion and abuse taken away with a multitude of different surface finishing technologies, this video is for you. Make sure you stay tuned.
Hey guys, this is Desiree at Vapor Honing Technologies, and welcome to a new episode in our series where we are restoring a 1961 Aston Martin. I have a component here in this VH3500 dry blast cabinet. We're going to be dry blasting it with soda before moving it into a vapor honing machine to use an aluminum oxide and glass bead mixture on it.
All right guys, so I just got done dry blasting this with soda. Now we're ready to throw it into a vapor honing machine. We're gonna blast it with that aluminum oxide and glass bead mixture.
All right, so I blasted the part. I got it a bit more dry, and you can see a huge difference from before. So after dry blasting with soda, finishing it off with glass bead and aluminum oxide mixture, you have a finish that's not too bright, because the customer specifically requested not to make it too bright. So the glass bead gave a very nice, subtle satin sheen finish. It was a very quick process. I'm shocked at how fast we were able to knock all that stuff off and get it back to better than OEM finish. And we're going to be continuing this series of restoring a 1961 Aston Martin, so tune in next week for the next episode. And if you have any more questions about this process, visit our website or call us directly at 828-202-5563.